8521 Danza Del Sol. I personally like the feel of this neighborhood. So I also like the landscaping. We have desert landscaping, but we do have green as well. You see that in a lot of the properties. So it's very pretty. You have a beautiful door and frosted window here. Tile as soon as you step in, and it goes all the way to the back of the house. The paint is very, very similar to what the property manager likes, which is a little, there's no ceiling fan or light in here. There is a smoke detector, laminate. We have the blinds and the paint is in good condition. As you can see, the tile follows through to the bathroom. We need a shower rod, maybe a cleanup, and caulk. I'm going to put caulking down. It's not the best quality laminate, but it's in good enough condition that it should be just fine for at least a tenant term, maybe more. Upgraded light fixtures. This is the same flooring. We have 2 sets of blinds on this window. So I don't know if you can tell in the video, but you do see a little bit of the seams coming up. But that's something I see in almost every property with laminate. Okay, definitely recalc. Shower head looks, yeah, maybe replace those fixtures. We'll see what Jenny says. Definitely not a big issue. Cabinets look fine. So does the sink. Faucets look fine. Light fixtures have a little bit of rust. It's borderline. Nice to have a ceiling fan with a light kit. Fireplace is on. It's so nice. I'm looking at the slats. We're missing one. I think we're missing one. So let's just go ahead and put verticals down just in case we need to replace it. AC's down there. I do hear the traffic. I don't know if you can. I was just listening for the traffic once we closed the door. I didn't hear it. We can listen when we get into the kitchen. Yeah, I'm really not hearing a lot of noise disturbance. Might want to add a gooseneck, but it's great. We already have the stone counters and undermount sinks. Cabinets look pretty good, plus we already have a space-saver microwave. So it is interesting. You don't see a lot of kitchens nowadays that are cut off from the living room, but that's why we have Jenny to let us know what she thinks. This is a pretty spacious laundry room. We have a 3-prong. Okay. Cabinets look good. It's a pretty large water heater for a house this size. We don't have a pan, but it looks like the straps are there. The inspector can tell us if they're installed correctly. Extra storage. So that's it.